Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I am Jazz Imani. For today's video, I will be showing you how I made that graduation cap top um, wording on Cricut Design Space. But before I start this video, I'd like to tell you that if you, at the end of this video, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave me a like. And if you're not yet my subscriber, you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. I love new subscribers. Okay, now let's get to our video. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to shapes. We're going to click on the square. Now we're going to change the size, and the size will be 9.3 by 9.3. We go back to shapes, click on the circle. We're going to change the size. The size will be 0.90 by 0.90. Now that we have our shapes and the sizes we want, we go ahead and highlight it. Once you've highlighted it, you go to align, click on center. Once it has been centered, you want to come down here to slice, click. Now you come up to where your results are, click on your first slice, delete, second slice, delete. Once you have deleted your slices, we will drag it to a side. Now we're ready to start writing our quote. And I'm going to write it individually. So it'll be when you first. I'm going to change my offset, my font. My font will be Catchland. We drag it up and we change the size. The size will be 3.5 by 1.5. I'm going to go ahead and change the color. I go back to text. Now it's going to be See Me Fly. We drag it up. Change the size. And the size will be 3.5 by 1.5. Change the color. Go back to text. Click. Remember. Drag it up. Change the size. 3.5 by 1.5. Change the color. And I'm going to make my screen a little smaller so I can see what I'm writing for my next words. There we go. You painted. Change the size. Change the color. Click text again. My wings. Change the size. 3.5 by 1.5. Change the color. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to, let me move this a little. We're going to rotate it to 315 degrees. All of them will be rotated at 315 degrees. Okay, so it's at 315. They're all at 315, so we're going to, we want them close but not too close. And we're going to move the the word remember, like kind of under my M. Right there. The word you painted, we're going to move it like the P right under my R. And then my wings. Okay, so my wings will be the Y right under my Y. Remember, we don't want it to close, but we don't want it to separate it either. Okay. Now, I'm going to highlight it. My laptop wants to give up on me. Okay. Gosh. There we go. And we're all set. That's how it'll be. And remember, if you use these measurements, the 3.5 by 1.5, um, your letters will be the S under the W, the R under the M, the P under the R, and this Y right here. Oh gosh, it didn't give me all my wings. Then my wings stayed over here. I was like, it looks kind of like, I don't know. Okay, and the Y will be under the Y. There we go. There we go. Okay. No wonder my top looked weird. Okay. So let me go ahead and put it just slightly close. No, that's good. I'll just leave it like that. But you see that my spaces are not all that much. See how I have good spaces in between to where they're not touching, the letters are not touching, but yet I have a little space. And look where I have my Y under my Y. So remember these things, okay? Remember that your W has the S right under it. The R has the M right on top of it. The R over here too. So the R will be between the P for painted and the M for me. And what I like to do, and I know this uses a lot of vinyl, but I'd rather get all my words together than have to worry about my words being slightly slanted or just messing up the order they're in and the position they're in. So what I like to do is I like to highlight everything, and I always duplicate it just in case I mess up or I decide to come back and change things. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it way to the bottom in case I need it. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm going to bring this so up here. And this one's going to be this one at the bottom. This one's going to be our extra, just in case. Let me put it very, very, very low. Okay. Now that I have this, where it's not touching the other letters, I go ahead and highlight them, and I combine, unite. So at the time that I print out my letters, all this is going to come out like that. You're going to be able to read the whole quote, and it's going to be in the same order and aligned the same way you had planned right there. And that's it. So I have my text already. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of it, and I'm going to choose an offset. And I want an offset that sticks together. So I'll go for the 0.111. Apply it. Okay. Now let's see if it's all stuck together. There we go. So we'll have our offset together. Let's change this, the color of our hat so that it can look there we go. Okay, there we have it. And I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget that I'm going to be making a part 2 where I will be showing you how to make the butterflies and the sizes for your butterflies that will be added to this cap. This is it for now. Don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you're not yet my subscriber, you're more than welcome to subscribe. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to answer all your questions. Till next time, goodbye.